I have a little tutorial in here for you. I bought this little controller for it's a joystick for alexmos controller, the gimbal controller. It's a 3-axis alexmos. Uh, my problem was I couldn't find the diagram how to connect the wires, so I make it easy for you now. Basically, the whole diagram is right here. This is the controller. This is the joystick. So this is the number of the pins in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and how they goes on your alexmos board. It's very simple. I just bought this flat ribbon cable, the wire, whatever you call it, and put them in order. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how it goes. Basically, diagram would looks like this. All right. So this is your pinholes. This is all your pinholes. Okay. There was no pins on my alexmos board, so I had to buy those from Radio Shack. Solder them on the board and just to connect the wire. That's it.